In today's Tech for Gamers tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application. And once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. And now you can type in The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then just click on View My Cart, and you can continue forward with the payment. You can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment method from the drop-down menu, and then just fill up your credentials, followed by your billing information. You can save this payment method for later use as well. And once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then select your install location and complete the installation in just a few clicks. Once you are done, you may start enjoying the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.